Hey everyone, it's Jim here, and listen, I'm fired up to be bringing you this video today. We're talking about the 10 things you absolutely need to win as an entrepreneur. Whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned vet, these are the fundamentals. This isn't about some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building something real, something that lasts. So buckle up, because we're about to break it down. But first, please subscribe, like and comment below. Thanks. Look, I know what you're thinking. Jim's business plans are boring. And you know what? You're right, they kind of are. But here's the thing, they're boring because they're important. A business plan forces you to think about your goals. Where do you want to be in a year? 5 years? 10 years? It forces you to define your audience, your competition, your revenue streams. It's not about writing a novel, it's about getting crystal clear on your vision and how you're going to execute it. You can have the best product in the world, but if you can't manage your money, you're going to fail. It's that simple. You need to know how much money you have, where it's going, and how much you need to make to stay afloat. This is basic stuff: people budgeting, forecasting, understanding cash flow, and don't be afraid to ask for help. There are tons of resources out there for entrepreneurs who need guidance on financial management. No one is going to buy your product if they don't know it exists. You need a marketing strategy, and you need a good one. This is 2023. The landscape is changing faster than ever. Social media, content marketing, email marketing, paid advertising. There are a million ways to reach your target audience. Experiment, be different, and most importantly, provide value. Give people a reason to care about your brand. Chapter 4. Listen, I've been saying this forever, and for a reason. Your network is everything. Go to industry events, connect with people on LinkedIn, reach out to mentors you admire. Don't be afraid to provide value first. Offer to help, provide feedback, make genuine connections. The more people you know, the more opportunities will come your way. Chapter 5. Technology is your friend. Embrace it. There are so many tools out there that can help you streamline your operations, automate tasks, and boost your productivity. Don't be afraid to invest in the right software and hardware. A CRM system can help you manage your customer relationships. Project management tools can keep your team on track. The right tech stack can be a total game changer. Chapter 6. Look, I'm not a lawyer, but I've learned the hard way that understanding the legal side of business is crucial. Get your contracts in order, protect your intellectual property, and make sure you're compliant with all applicable laws and regulations. It's not sexy, but it's essential. Seriously, don't skip this part. A little legal knowledge up front can save you a lot of headaches and money down the road. Time is the one thing you can't make more of, so you better use it wisely. Prioritize your tasks, set deadlines, and learn to delegate. There are only so many hours in a day, so you need to make sure you're spending them on the things that actually move the needle. Cut out the distractions, stop wasting time on things that don't matter, and focus on what's important. Chapter 8. Customer focus. Obsessed with your audience. Without customers, you don't have a business. It's that simple. Listen to your customers, understand their needs, and go above and beyond to provide amazing customer service. Get feedback, address concerns, and build relationships with your customers. Customer loyalty is built on trust and a great product. Deliver both, and you'll be amazed at the results. Chapter 9. Adaptability. Roll with the punches. The business world is constantly changing, so you need to be able to adapt, be open to new ideas, be willing to pivot when necessary, and don't be afraid to fail. The most successful entrepreneurs are the ones who can embrace change and learn from their mistakes. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. The more adaptable you are, the better equipped you'll be to handle whatever challenges come your way. Chapter 10. Passion and persistence. Your unfair advantage. Look, being an entrepreneur is hard work. There are going to be ups and downs, long nights, and moments where you want to give up. But that's where passion and persistence come in. If you're truly passionate about what you're doing, it won't feel like work. You'll be excited to wake up every day and grind. And when things get tough, remember why you started in the first place. Outro. Now, go execute. There you have it, folks. The 10 essential assets every entrepreneur needs for success. Remember, this isn't a check-the-box kind of thing. This is about building these assets into your DNA, constantly learning, iterating, and getting better every single day. This is about the long game. It's about building something real, something with impact, and I know you have it in you. So get out there, put in the work, and make it happen. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and insights. Until next time, keep hustling. For information about how to make money online, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.